Manufacturing begins with human resource development. Mitsuya's tagline is building a future for everyone, leading the way to the future. With the desire to contribute to the future society with the power of plating, our corporate slogan is to build people and create the future. Mitsuya, building a future for everyone, leading the way to the future. Wake. It is to recognize each other's personalities, respect each other, gather public knowledge, cooperate with each other, and create a comfortable workplace. At Mitsuya, Wake is the company motto. The foundation that has continued for a long time from its founding in 1931 to the present is a philosophy that has been passed down from the founder, Soemasa Kusama. Don't refuse even the most difficult request. With the three arrows of quality, delivery, and cost, which is the origin of the company name, we carefully respond to the needs of the rapidly changing times, one by one. Based on that philosophy that will not change in the future, we aim to be a company that is creative and needed by society. Mitsuya has 4 production bases and 2 laboratories, and the plating types and production fields that each factory is good at are divided according to the external certification, compatible plating types, and equipment owned by each factory. Headquarters, Technical Center, Rotunda Factory located in the city center. Hachioji Factory, which specializes in aviation, space, defense parts, etc. Yonezawa Factory, which specializes in various food plating. Kofu Factory, which owns many automatic machines that handle products in bulk. Setagaya Research Institute, which supports manufacturing and product development as a corporate lab. All factories accept consultations, trial production, and development of plating at each factory. Introducing the processing flow. Orders received. We accept orders for products required by customers. Acceptance. We will take the molded product and check the shape, appearance, etc. Manufacturing slip issuance. We will issue a manufacturing slip based on the order information. Plating. We perform plating by the plating method that matches the shape of the product. The rack method is a processing method for fixing to jigs for large products and small quantities and many types. The barrel method is a processing method suitable for fine products because it is possible to plate a large number of products at once. The hoop method is a reel-to-reel processing method suitable for continuous terminal products. Inspection. As a shipping inspection of plated products, we perform inspections according to customer specifications. Packing. Before shipping, we will wrap and pack according to the shape of the product. shipment, we will deliver it safely to our customer by our own flights and logistic flights. Plating equipment is manufactured by our own equipment department. Introducing the production fields that Mitsuya contributes to. Space, automobiles, aircraft parts, medical, semiconductor, smart grid, electronic equipment parts, communication, train, etc. In these various fields, we're expanding the field of activity to respond to the global market. We are working with a long-term policy of cultivating people who are beneficial and can contribute to the environment. We have set clear goals that are necessary to promote human resource development. We are building a thorough management system by incorporating a career matrix system. One of the characteristics of Mitsuya is to develop human resources who are fast, have excellent skills and abilities, and are full of creativity through these educational systems. We are also focusing on developing human resources necessary for global expansion. We are actively engaged in business negotiations with overseas customers and product development for overseas markets. We are proud of our high quality and high technology. Mitsuya, which constantly challenges the needs of our customers, will continue to contribute to society in a wide range of manufacturing fields. Mount Takao in harmony with the rich nature of Tokyo. The Hachioji Factory is located along the Asa River and the Hachiko line that connects Hachioji and Takasaki. The Hachioji Factory specializes in various types of rust-compliant plating, as well as the acquisition of JIS Q9100 for aerospace and mill standards. We are studying every day as a state-of-the-art plating factory that handles aerospace and defense parts. Aerospace line. Nickel plating that is silvery white, hard, has excellent corrosion resistance, and exhibits thermomagnetism. Tin plating used in many fields with highly reliable solar wettability. Plating solution analysis that enables in-house plating solution management, ICP. We provide better quality through an inspection system to provide good products to our customers. We are working to create a factory that is friendly to people and the environment by using a wastewater treatment system in the factory. Taking advantage of these characteristics, the Hachioji Factory will propose the optimum plating. At Mitsuya, the production and sales management system is centrally managed company-wide. With this production control system, traceability is collectively managed by operating and recording product processes according to quality manuals. In order to ensure quality assurance, in addition to basic inspections of appearance, adhesion, and plating film thickness, We have built a quality assurance system with inspection items that match the specification of customers and products. With a wide variety of inspection equipment placed in the right place, various tests are repeated. We handle everything in-house, including environmental tests, film characteristics, plating solution management, and management of environmentally hazardous substances. Each employee is responsible for quality, promptly identifies the cause of various events, and works to improve the quality and efficiency of work. At Mitsuya, we're conducting research and development of plating technology that meets the needs of new customers with the concept of always realizing the surface treatment required by the world's most advanced technology with reliable manufacturing. In semiconductor development, we carry out consistent research and development from wafer seed layer formation to pattern formation and plating. In order to establish a new plating film and plating process, Mitsuya conducts research and development using an ultra-high resolution surface observation, research on plating solution components, film hardness, crystal structure diffraction, surface component analysis, etc. Manufacturing begins with human resource development. Mitsuya nurtures people and creates the future. Mitsuya, building a future for everyone, leading the way to the future.